Welcome to MEP Basics. In this video, we will clearly understand the basics of electrical systems in buildings. Electrical systems play a very important role in making a building safe, comfortable, and functional. First, let us understand what an electrical system is. An electrical system supplies power and lighting to a building. It supports daily activities such as lighting, air conditioning, elevators, computers, and other equipment. Now, let us look at how electricity enters a building. Electricity usually comes from the local power utility. In residential buildings, power enters directly from the utility. In large commercial buildings, power may first pass through a transformer. The transformer reduces high voltage to a safe level for use inside the building. After entering the building, electricity goes to the main electrical panel. This panel controls and distributes power to different areas. From the main panel, power flows to distribution boards, also called DBs. Each DB supplies power to specific floors or zones. Distribution boards are very important. They contain protective devices such as MCBs and ELCBs. These devices protect circuits from overload and short circuits. ELCBs protect people from electric shock. In facility management, electrical systems require regular inspection and maintenance. Loose connections, damaged cables, and faulty equipment must be repaired immediately. Proper maintenance increases safety and reduces breakdowns. To conclude, electrical systems are the backbone of any building. Without electricity, a building cannot function properly. In the next video, we will explain HVAC system basics in a simple and clear way. Subscribe to MEP Basics to learn MEP and Facility Management step by step. Thank you for watching.